Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you traversing, but traversing by children. So if we go to our HTML file, we got these divs. I am going to create one more div. You can think of this as like the parent div that will contain all of these other divs. And if I save it, there we go. What we're going to say is any child element of the div, doesn't matter what the child element is necessarily, any child element we are going to affect, do something to it. So not the div itself, not by a class, but any child element. So what you do is you select the parent element. You can do whatever selector you want. So I'm just keeping it simple. Div, do dot children, and I'm just going to do dot add class, and I've already got a class right here which is red. Changes the color to red. So if I add the red class, reload, as you can see, all of them are red now. Whereas if I was to create another div, and I'll just put hello world in here, that text is black because this is not a child of div. This is just the content of div. So these act as the content and the children of this, so child elements. So that just applies, whatever you're doing. It doesn't have to be add class, it can be whatever you want. But this just does it to every child. If you want to do a bit of filtering, so maybe I have, let's say, a class of hello, for example, and I have, that class here as well. So I only want to apply the red class to elements that are children of a div element, but that have the class of hello. So you do something very similar to this. I'll comment out the old one, and instead of just doing dot children, you pass in an optional parameter which acts as your filter. And there's quite a few things that you can do with this, but I'm just going to keep it simple and say dot hello. So now if we reload, as you can see, only the elements that were children of a div element that also had a class of hello had this class added. So that's it, simple stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.